Welcome to Donnergy, your gateway to smarter, greener energy solutions. As a global leader in solar inverters and energy storage, we're not just shaping the future, we're powering it with innovative technology and exceptional service you can rely on. But what really sets us apart? Let's take a closer look at the exceptional service and support that makes Donnergy a trusted partner for residential and commercial energy solutions. At Donnergy, quality is at the core of everything we do. We've established a robust ISO 9001 certified quality management system to ensure every product we deliver meets the highest standards. From raw material inspections to final testing, our processes are designed to guarantee excellence. It all begins with the selection of premium raw materials. Our dedicated team conducts rigorous raw material inspections to verify their suitability and durability, ensuring every component contributes to a reliable final product. In manufacturing, precision matters. That's why we adhere to strict process standards at every step of production. From assembly to performance testing, we combine automation and skilled craftsmanship to create solutions you can trust. Our facilities utilize real-time monitoring systems to maintain production consistency and swiftly address any deviations. This proactive approach ensures our products exceed industry benchmarks in performance and reliability. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our customer support team is always ready to assist with inquiries, provide technical guidance, and resolve issues efficiently. We understand the importance of timely delivery. That's why we've implemented a robust logistics tracking system to ensure your orders arrive on schedule every time. Our commitment doesn't end with delivery. We offer comprehensive technical support and even regular follow-ups to ensure your system is performing optimally. Should you encounter any issues, our flexible return and exchange policy has you covered. We prioritize hassle-free solutions so you can focus on harnessing clean energy. At Donnergy, innovation never stops. Our dedicated R&D team continuously explores new frontiers in PCS, EMS, BMS, and cloud systems, driving advancements in solar energy conversion and storage. We also prioritize continuous quality improvement plans, using customer feedback to refine our products and services. Our feedback channels are open to ensure your voice helps shape the future of clean energy. With Donnergy, you're not just choosing a product, you're choosing a partner committed to quality, innovation, and exceptional service. Together, let's create a greener, more sustainable world. Visit us today to learn more and join the clean energy revolution.